Hello ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Shlok Vivek Marai. I am studying in first standard. My school name is Leeds School. Today I will speak on summer season. Summer season comes in, let's start. Summer season comes in March, April, May and June. We feel very hot and thirsty. We drink lots of water and juice. We wear sunglasses, hats or caps to protect us from the sun. We wear cotton shirts and dresses that keep us cool. We eat juicy fruit and vegetables like watermelons, cucumbers and mango and grapes. We love eating ice cream. We should drink lots of liquids like water, juice and खाएंगे. सोने की थाली में दूध भात खाएंगे. दूध भात फीका, चंदा हमसे रूठा. शक्कर उसमें डालेंगे, मामा को मनाएंगे. मामा भागा आएगा, तारों को बिळा.
अभंग जनसामान्यात पोचवून ईश्वर भक्तीचा मार्ग दाखवणारे संत म्हणजे संत तुकाराम. संत तुकाराम यांचे पूर्ण नाव तुकाराम बळोबा आंबिले असे आहे. त्यांना तुकोबा असेही म्हणले जाते. संत तुकाराम हे इसवी सन 17व्या शतकातील एक वारकरी होते. त्यांचा जन्म वसंत पंचमीला माघ शुद्ध पंचमीला झाला. त्यांच्या घरात विशंभरबुवा हे विठ्ठल भक्त होते. त्यांच्या घरात पंढरीची वारी करण्याची परंपरा होती.
The office is empty, most working from the home, many with loved ones, let us some on their own. The text is uploaded. I wish you were back. I wish you were back. I so miss your face. The better is the right. Our many no.
Then I am here tell connector. The connector are and, but, or. First connector is and used to join two sentences equally. Now I tell one example. The example is I have one pen and a candle. Second connector is but used to contribution. Now I tell one example. The example is I want to play but my leg is injured. Third connector is or used to one choice or option. Now I tell one example. The example is I drink. They like some dance plant also grow small to bigger. There are various stages of life cycle of plant. Let's start. Let's see one by one. First, seed. Second, sprouting seed. Third, sprout. Fourth, sapling. Fifth, small plant. Sixth, big plant. First, seed. A plant life began as a seed under the ground. This is seed. Second, sprouting seed. After few days, a seed roots down in the soil.
The sun is hot. It is fact or opinion? You are right. It is fact. This can be proved and we can prove it by doing research. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. Can't be proven. Matter of personal judgment. For example, dog. Dogs are the best pets. That like things. I love dogs. That's how I feel. But this is my opinion. Because some like say
No way. Cats are the best pets. Fact and opinion. An apple is a fruit. It is fact or opinion? You are right. It is fact. Apple is a fruit. That is all.
I tell part of brain. First understand brain its part the what they do your brain in the what they do your brain it in the most complete hour of our body. It has complete organ
And their function. The leaf is the kitchen of plant. This is a main vein. It connect the leaf to the plant and carry water. Side vein. This is a side vein. They are like small pipe and that carry water and other material. This is a leaf apex. It gives a
They take the shape of the container, like shape of the bottle, glass and bowl. Liquid flow freely. We can see and touch the liquid. We can pour the one container to another container. Like this way, the property of liquid first what liquid do not have definite shape. Second, they take the shape.
Hello all of you, my name is Sonakshi Davaskar from 3rd standard. Today I am going to speak how to read a clock. So this is our clock and our clock has 12 numbers. Small hand is a hour hand and big hand is a minute hand. If small hand is 12 and 1 between and big hand is on 6, it is a half past 12. And if big hand is on 12 and small hand is on 1, it is a 1 o'clock. Okay. Now like this it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So our half day is complete means 12 hours complete. Now next thing I want to teach clockwise and anti-clockwise. If we read a clock in the right side like this is a clockwise, and we read a clock like the left side, this is a anti-clockwise. Thank you.
My name is Man. I study in 5th class in Lille school. I will tell about how the waste pass out from our body. First is kidney. Kidney is pair of basic organs in our body. It is red brownish in color. So it is either side of vertebral column and just below the rib cage. Next is ureters. Ureters are tube-structured organ in our body that connects kidney to urinary bladder. Third is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is very elastic, muscular bag-like shaped organ in our body. Just below navel or belly button. Last is urethra. Urethra is connected to urinary bladder. It's open from small opening which helps the urine passing out from our body. This opening is different between male and female. I will show you. See this? How this water goes like line. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arama Bijidoka. I am studying in class
management and biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, waste that decompose easily and fast, is called biodegradable waste. For example, leaves, paper, wood, and lemon. Waste is made up of non-living matter and not decompose easily. It's called non-biodegradable waste. For example, plastic bottle, plastic mobile phone, and torch.